Hello everyone, welcome back. So, you've seen the ads for TickCash. Watch videos, earn money. Sounds easy, right? Let me tell you what's really going on. TickCash is an Android app that promises to pay you real money for watching short videos. It's kind of like TikTok, but you're supposedly supposed to earn cash. The app gives you a huge bonus when you start. We're talking hundreds of thousands of coins right away. You watch videos, collect more coins, and then cash out through PayPal. At least that's the promise. Here's where things get shady. Yes, you can cash out 1 cent. That actually works, but that's the trap. They let you withdraw 1 penny to make you think it's real. Then you spend hours watching videos to reach $50, but when you try to cash out, suddenly there's an error, insufficient balance, or you're stuck in a waiting line that never moves. Users report waiting for 3 weeks. Some never get paid at all. The coins you earn drop off fast. At first, you're making good progress, then it slows to a crawl. More videos, fewer coins. Why? Because they make money from the ads you watch. You're not earning, you're working for free. And the worst part, some versions ask for your card details. That's a huge red flag. Never give payment info to apps like this. Real users on Google Play are furious. One person spent hours getting to $50, couldn't withdraw, another watched their place in line go backward. Reviews show a clear pattern. The app works just enough to keep you watching ads, but the big payouts never come. Is TickCash legit? Yes, technically it is. It exists. You can download it, but will you make real money? No. It's designed to waste your time and collect ad revenue. Save yourself the trouble and skip this one.